quantum knowledge of I am versus I am God. Krishna was the first person to share this knowledge on earth. This beautiful knowledge of I am God has got a scientific basis, albeit quantum knowledge basis to it, which has been completely covered up on earth and is being revealed now for the first time. This knowledge of I am God was first shared or revealed to the world by Krishna. It was first revealed by Krishna, and then it was revealed by Jesus Christ. Krishna revealed it 5,000 years ago, and Jesus Christ revealed that 2,000 years ago. And the same cycle is repeating with Krishna, repeating the same knowledge again. It's a question of changing I am the inner constitution versus I am God, the inner constitution. People have forgotten who they truly are. They've lost contact with the source who has made them. Creator has made everyone in the mirror image of I am God. Creator has made everyone without exception in the mirror image of I am God. Only trouble is human beings have forgotten their true nature. With the passage of time, births, difficulties in life, they have lost their power, their quantum knowledge, which I have discovered. Everyone is a mirror image of God. Creator has made everyone in the mirror image of God. I'm selling the program for $997. For genuinely interested people, contact me on my email and join my program. Creator said, I'm the same Krishna who had delivered the knowledge to the world of I am God. I'm the same Krishna who had delivered the knowledge to the world of I am God. This is a discovery by myself. Creator reminded me that I'm the same Krishna who had delivered the knowledge created to the world of I am God. I'm the same Krishna who had delivered the knowledge of Creator to the world of I am God. God also reminded me that I had forgotten who I was. He also reminded me I was the same Krishna who wrote Gita. God reminded me I'd forgotten who I was. He also reminded me I was the same Krishna who wrote Gita. God reminded me it was Krishna who fought against caste and religions, who fought against caste and religious discriminations. World has forgotten that completely. This knowledge has been completely covered up on earth. I'm the only person on earth who has made both Creator and God. I am the only person on earth who has met both Creator and God. It's a rare privilege, rare honor. I feel very humbled and lucky to fight my way through, to find them, meet them, and do their work on earth. It's been a 30-year journey. With Creator's knowledge of I am God, all the religions of the world disappears completely on earth. If the truth emerges about Creator's knowledge of I am God, all the religions of the world disappears on earth. With Creator's knowledge of I am God, Hinduism's male and female deities religions disappear. The so-called Sanatan Dharma disappears completely. Judaism disappears completely. Jehovah disappears completely. Christianity disappears completely. Islam disappears completely. Buddhism disappears completely. Sikhism disappears completely. Old worldly religions disappears on earth if the truth about Creator's ultimate knowledge, which has been completely covered up by religions, emerges on earth of everyone has been made in the mirror image of God. This is a divine secret which I have unlocked in this life.